Christine, I'm busy right now. What do you need?
Ate, can you help me?
With what?
I have this homework in school about the supply chain strategies of businesses. Can you help me?
I think I have a video about that.
Really? Can I see it?
Okay, sure. Here it is in my computer. Hi, welcome to JNM. Today, we'll feature the successful supply chain strategies of different businesses. An effective supply chain strategy is essential for a business to succeed. And now, here's Pin. She will be interviewing a representative from Panda Manila, one of the leading bake shops in Manila.
Good afternoon. Panda Manila is the country's leading seller of pandesal, which is one of the Filipino staple food. I am with Miss Fe to ask her on how their raw materials are being delivered and how do they maintain their products fresh quality. Miss Fe, magandang hapon po sa inyo.
Magandang hapon po.
Maaari po ba akong magtanong tungkol sa inyong paano ba dinedeliver ang raw materials para sa paggawa ng inyong pandesal?
Bale may supplier kami, tapos nakaschedule na sila mag-deliver ng raw materials sa bawat branch kada 2 linggo.
May mga pagkakataon mo ba na late na ng deliver ang inyong supplier at nagkataon na maaari kayong magsara o
Pag nangyayari yun, kinokontak namin yung ibang branch ng Panda Manila, tapos kumukulit sa kanila kung tayo kumukuha ng mga
maraming salamat po sa inyong oras.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Barangay Peninsula upang makapanayam po ang isang balot vendor, ano? Magandang gabi po. Ano po ang pangalan nila?
Tawagin mo na lang ako sa pangalan Mira.
Okay, Mira. Saan po natin nakukuha ang inyong mga balot?
Sa Bulacan ko nakukuha ang aking mga balot.
Sa Bulacan daw, sa Bulacan. So, ilang balot po ang nakukuha ninyo sa isang kuhaan?
Mga 100 piraso.
100 peraso. Hindi po ba naman napakadami nun? Bakit hindi po mga 30 na lang sa isang kuhaan?
Ay, ayoko ng mga 30-30 lang, no? Kasi magagastusan ako pag mga ganun lang. 30.
Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. Ako po muli si Maika Enriquez, nag-uulat. Balik sa'yo, TV!
The Balot vendor has said that the fifth concept of logistics strategy formulation, which is the shipment consolidation, applies to the balot industry. It is better for the supplier to get as many balots as she can to minimize transportation costs. And now, here's Princess, and she will be talking to someone from the cigarette industry.
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Nandito po tayo sa Paris Store at makakausap po natin ang CEO ng Paris Store na si Miss Amable Perez. Magandang hapon po.
Magandang hapon din ako po.
Paano po kayo nag-ugnayan ng inyong mga distributor?
Ano po, tumatawag po kami sa kanila para mag-deliver po sa amin at mag-order po kami ng sigarilyo.
At tuwing kailan naman po dumadating sa tindahan yung mga sigarilyo ito?
Ano po, linggo-linggo po sila dumarating sa amin.
Gano'n naman kadami ang i-order?
Ano po kasi, iba-ibang klase ng sigarilyo ang aming ino-order. Merong lights, may menthol, tsaka red. Kapag red, Marlboro Red, 75 na rin ang aming ino-order. At kapag lights naman po ay 25. Kadalasan naman kapag hindi sila pupunta sa isang linggo, umu-order po kami ng mas marami.
Ito po ba ang ring?
Opo, ito po ang green.
Mga manonood, ito po ang ring. At dahil dyan, maraming salamat po sa inyong oras.
Maraming salamat din po.
The fifth concept of logistics, shipment consolidation, also applies to cigarettes. Since the cigarettes are delivered to the Paris store weekly, it has higher transportation costs because of its smaller shipment sizes.
Hi! Welcome to Sabao Show. Hi, Papa. Have you heard about the controversial cooking oil tape? Huh? Oil tape? Let's watch.
Haha, where does your cooking oil come from?
This is Aling Tindera. She owns a sari-sari store. She travels by jeepneys to go to wholesaler number 1. If unluckily she doesn't find her product in wholesaler number 1, she will then go to wholesaler number 2, also by jeepney. Still, if she's unlucky, she will go by jeepney to wholesaler number 3. Then she will return home to her sari-sari store and repack the Baguio cooking oil she purchased from cans into small ice candy packets. So that's how oil is purchased by customers and they bring it to their homes with ice candy packets. Ew!
Does cooking oil really came from fish oil?
No, it actually comes from various raw materials, and from the manufacturers it is transported to the wholesalers, and it is spread from there. Do you know Aling Tindera?
Aling Tindera? Is she the one who owns the sari-sari store? Wait! What's the connection?
She sells cooking oil. That's all the time we have right now. So see you next time on The Sabaw Show!
So, that's about it for today. From all of us here in the JNN Newsroom and to all our correspondents, thank you for watching JNN. Your news, my news, our news.